Hello, I just wanted to make an intro video of this channel, of who I am, or what I do, why you should care, and beyond. This channel is Shimmin Web. I'm a web developer in New York City. To break down the name, first part Shimmin is my last name. You can follow me on Twitter, Shimmy Christo. I'll link it below. Don't worry. Web, I do web design or web development, websites, and my wife does web design. She's a designer. Actually, she works in Hoboken, New Jersey, right across the river. Hoboken, it's a good place to live. What do I do? Like I already said, I'm a web developer. I work for a company, Dugal Visual Solutions. They're a printing company. They needed an e-commerce website, so I built that. shopdugal.com. Pretty good, pretty good. So in this channel, why follow this channel? What's the point? What am I doing here? I need to make videos for people. I need to make content and to help others out in need. So most of these videos are going to be for young developers or developers/engineers who are just starting out, kind of like I was 5 years ago, who knew nothing. I didn't know what a body tag was in HTML, to now working in New York. So it can be done. You can start from nothing and work your way up. And I'm going to make videos to help those out, kind of videos like this, kind of talks and tips. I'll probably also do video tutorials. There's already so many great people giving tutorials, so if I do give the tutorials, just bear with. I've never done tutorials. Maybe I'll make a tutorial video on how to make tutorials. Maybe. So it's kind of a learning. This is all a learning process. I'm definitely going to make videos on walking through certain web platforms, website platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, WordPress, Wix, Weebly, Squarespace, all the popular ones. I might talk about what web hosting is, what are domains, and what is domain hosting. What's the difference? I feel like starting out, that's something good to know, and it's also good for just people who don't care about web to know. So if they're working with a client and they just throw out, oh yeah, you need web domains, that's going to cost $100 a month. Maybe not. So it's something good to know. And so if that's seem like it's up your alley, yeah, go ahead, subscribe to this channel. That's what it's going to be. It's mostly for beginners and from the beginning stages and getting started. And it's not going to be. I'm not the tech lead. I didn't work at Google. But I have some knowledge to share, so I figured I would share it. And it's also for people who are not in web but are just beginning and want to make a website. And I'm going to also do that. So there you go. That's the intro. Now you know. You know what I know. And so go ahead, subscribe if you want. Or not. I don't care. Either way, it's going to be here.